Mr. Edwards and Mr. Williams.
Hi there, this is Jim Barnes, Edwards' eldest brother. Congratulations on being honored with serving your wonderful work over many years. Now, back in 1953, you've done a wonderful job, not only in Jamaica, but all over the world. Congratulations, and we wish you all the very best. Now, you might not know
A clean song there, a good song for Leslie of St. Jago, also going well. It's one of them running with the advantage. On the outside, Rivers of Ireland, one of them running the away they go then, clean song here. Watch out for lane number 5. As Miners rain on the lead, Crystal Morrison of St. Jago. It's right here, rain on the lane, Miners beside her. To the upper third, it's rain on the lane, Miners. It's a clean song. Leading the way first ever best game. A good start from the thing now. First to the pure money. Moving forward, the cheaper It's a big start. It is not a bad A theme song for